Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. So looking at this Bitcoin price action, you can see since the price has broken out of this upper line of this descending broadening wedge, price of Bitcoin is going completely parabolic. And the question right now remains same. Is the trend going to continue to the upper duration? If that's the case, what are the target area we are actually looking right now? Because if we monitor this price movement, we have been calling this price structure again and again, and you can also see right now how I'm actually going to look at this movement is with the help of this rising trend line, because this rising trend line is showing me where the trend could be possibly hitting, and I'm also getting an idea. Looking at this price structure, you can see this trend line, this rising trend line has acted as a very strong support, holding the price to continue in an upper direction. So this trend line is a very important line right now, because if you look at this price structure where the price is moving along with this rising trend line, what you can do is you can take this trend line area to see which area has been properly acting as a support and resistance. Because if you monitor this price movement here, each and every movement for Bitcoin could be flashing us that if we would see any sort of a reversal, you can see these trend lines are going to be a very strong support for Bitcoin. So in that case, you can see now it's pretty simple, guys. This is how I actually like to look this price action, because now if we would see any sort of a price rejection or price getting pulled back, first we will look if we are going to find support at the rising trend line or not. And if that gets broken down, then we know we have this line here which previously acted as a resistance. So this trend line could be playing out as a support and still continue our price to consolidate or heading in an upper direction. And if this support is also going to fail around 37,800, 37,900 is also going to fail, then what we can look is for the lower target area. So 36,800 could be another target if this trend actually fails to continue along with this rising trend line. This is actually a very simple way to look at the price action, guys, to be honest. And if you want to look at the target area to the upside, because we also want to know where we could be possibly hitting here to the upside, right? So for that, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to show you the price action Bitcoin along with the Fibonacci retracement line. So now if we pinpoint this price action in a weekly time frame, including the Fibonacci retracement level, so what we are going to do, we are going to take the Fibonacci from this swing high from 2017 till the swing low area. So now we can see where the price of Bitcoin might be currently heading. So in this case, if the trend is going to continue, the possible target here could be this one here, which is at 2.272 Fibonacci retracement level, around 42,500 price level. So here to the upside, 42,500 is going to be our one target area. But not only looking from this swing high till this swing low, what I also like to do is take a Fibonacci retracement level again, but not from this swing high, but from 2019, from there till the lower area, right? So if you look at this price structure, you can see now where we are finding difficulty to break is exactly at this 0.341 Fibonacci retracement level. And so the next target, the next possible target is going to be the 3.618 Fibonacci level. So that is at exactly 40,000 price level. So now you can see first target for us right now is going to be the 40,000, and then the next one is going to be 42,500 price level. So these are two target area where we might be possibly getting gravitated right now, because along with this Fibonacci retracement level from this swing high from 2007 till swing low level, right, this 2.272 Fibonacci retracement level. So to the upside now, this is a target line, Fibonacci from 2019 till 2020 swing low level. This is another target area. So now what we are going to do, simple, guys. You can see if we are going to find support above this 3.414, which is around 38,000, the next move is possibly going to be around 40,000 price level, and also this 42,500 is going to be on the line. So these are my target area looking at the price action of Bitcoin right now. And also yesterday I told you guys, along with this logarithmic growth curve scenario, if you look at this price movement, right, you can see I told you guys, for the price of Bitcoin to break above this middle line, this Fibonacci line, we need a bullish weekly candle. And this is exactly what we also saw here, right? Because we knew, we had this example already talked in my previous videos. You can see we needed a very bullish candle in a weekly time frame here as well. And also from the previous Bitcoin price action, you can see breaking the middle line area, we always had a really bullish candle. So that's why I was also saying that, hey, if the price of Bitcoin is going to break out of this middle line of this Fibonacci retracement level, then we need a very bullish candle. And this is exactly what we are also witnessing. So right now, according to this logarithmic growth curve, our next target is going to be around the 61.80 Fibonacci level. So this trend line here, right, this is our target area, and according to this logarithmic growth curve, around this 44,000 is going to be our target. So this line here is around 44,500. So now what I'm actually going to do, I want to include the CPR along with this parabolic growth curve, so you can see exactly where R3 line is, the monthly target level. The R3 line here, you can see the green line. So this R3 line is also around 44,600, 44,500 price level, and also this Fibonacci 61.80 is also around that price level. So if this trend is going to continue according to the CPR and logarithmic growth curve, this is going to be our final destination for the January 2021. So that's going to be around 44,700 price level if the trend is going to continue. But what we should also remember is that if we are going to see any sort of a rejection, we have to find support over this middle line, this 50% Fibonacci level. So let me hide the CPR. You can see, since we have already broken out of this in a daily time frame, we need to find support over it, and that is going to be around 36,000 price level. So price of Bitcoin must hold around this 36,000 price level for another move in an upward direction. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin. So now let's also have a quick look at price action of Ethereum, and maybe if we have time, we can also look at Litecoin USD price action as well. So now if we look at the price action in a weekly time frame from Ethereum USD chart, you can see, guys, the target which I talked on my yesterday's video, this 1220 price level has been reached. So now where we might be possibly hitting if the trend continues, this is my next target. My next target is around 1370, and my final target would be the 1420 price level. So these are my price target right now looking in a bigger time frame, because if we monitor this price structure, this fractal here from this 2017 bull market phase here, you can see. So this is the fractal what I am actually seeing playing out right now for Ethereum in a bigger time frame. In a smaller time frame, you can also see here. So if we look at this here now in an hourly time frame, you can see this ascending triangle breakout scenario, which we also talked on my yesterday's video. Since then, you can also see very nice move in an upward direction. It has been almost like around 10.50% price surge, right? This is a very nice move, but the question right now, is this going to continue? Because right now, if we would use this rising trend line, just like what we did with Bitcoin, guys, you can also see we are clearly following this rising trend line just like with the Bitcoin price action, because this rising trend line right now is the direction where we are heading, and also a support what we are finding right now for Ethereum. And if you say the similar thing just like with Bitcoin, if we would see any sort of a rejection or price pullback, what we need to know is this line here, which is around 1122 price level for Ethereum. If this trend line gets broken, right, if price doesn't find support at this rising trend line, then the pullback could be again around the ascending triangle, and then we could continue again in an upward direction, right? This is one scenario that could also play out right now for Ethereum USD chart in an hourly time frame. And if this is going to continue, it's pretty simple, guys. What we just need to do is just take the trend line area this here, because we know this trend line acted as a resistance here, acted as a support here, and also along with this rising trend line, this trend line acted as a support. So if we would see any sort of a fake out, I mean price breaking below this rising trend line, then this trend line here around 1165 could also play as a support, and then price again trying to continue in an upward direction. But the overall, looking at this price structure, you can see the trend of Bitcoin and Ethereum does looks very bullish, right? And also if you look at this in a 4-hour time frame, you can see even in a 4-hour time frame, the trend right now is clearly heading in an upward direction. You can see here along with this rising trend line, you can see, right, this is a very nice move in an upward direction. So what we can also do is include this ascending channel. So if you would include this ascending channel, we can also see that maybe we could be hitting in this manner. So each and every pullback inside this ascending channel would be a very important area of support and resistance, you can see here. So now if you could break out of this area, this 1200 price level, then again in a pullback, this same line which is acting as a resistance right now, this trend line here could be acting as a support, and price might be continue in this manner here, right, finding support over this trend line and then continue again in an upward direction. So as I've already showed you guys, the target right now for me is going to be around 1370 and also this 1460 116 right now, looking at the price action in a bigger time frame. So guys, now let's also have a very quick look at Litecoin USD chart. So if we monitor this price movement of Litecoin USD starting in a monthly time frame, I have actually already talked about this Litecoin price action in one of my videos. I said, you guys, I was actually bullish and I am still bullish on Litecoin, because this move here in a monthly time frame, you can see it looks like a very nice double bottom scenario, which is indicating a possible breakout right now. And this is exactly what we are also witnessing here, because the price breaking the previous temporary resistance line, this is the neckline area and this is our previous temporary resistance line, that is actually a buy signal, because breaking the neckline according to this double bottom is a buy signal. But what I actually added for you guys to understand properly was the Livermore's pivotal point theory. According to the Livermore's pivotal point theory, I told you guys, since we were approaching the previous resistance line, this point B area, so in this case you can see point B area, right? Because this here was the previous temporary resistance line. When we were approaching around this area, 135, 145 price dollar, I told you guys, if we are actually able to find support above this, this is going to include a buy signal, because according to the Jesse Livermore's pivotal point theory, price breaking out of the previous temporary resistance line, this is going to be a buy signal. And in our case, according to this pivotal point theory, this here was our new B here, right? So breaking this previous pivotal point gave us a indication that now this here is going to be a buy signal. And since then, you can see the price of Litecoin has also actually moved in a really impressive way. So right now we are finding ourselves around 171 price, because I can remember our last analysis, the price was around 145, 140 price level. And I told you guys, finding support exactly at this price level is going to indicate a buy signal. And since then, the price has also surged almost like 35%. That's actually a very impressive price gain, guys. So if we look at this, you can see the double bottom played out, and Livermore's the pivotal point theory is also indicating the trend is going to continue. And if that's going to be the case, right, if this is going to be a double bottom scenario, since the price has already broken out of this neckline area, so if we take the target area, right, from the neck till the bottom area, so if this is going to continue in this manner, where we could be possibly hitting, you can see exactly around the previous key level area. So this line here, which is going to be around 225 price level. So this is our target level right now, looking at this price action of Litecoin. And also if we look at this in a smaller time frame, what we can do is we can switch this time frame into daily time frame and monitor this price movement here. It is very simple to monitor this price movement here, because it has been repeating this price structure again and again, guys. If we look at this price structure here, you can see previous resistance, right, played as a support here as well, support, and then we got a breakout. Again, similar price structure, you can see resistance, support, and then we got a breakout. Now what we are going to do, again, same stuff, guys. This has been repeating again and again for Litecoin. You can see resistance, support, and a breakout in an upper direction. Again, this here is also showing us that, hey, now since we have again found a breakout after this resistance here, we had a breakout. What could be the possible movement here? Similar case, guys. We could be again forming a support around this trend line area, which is going to be around 160 price level. So if this is going to get broken, let's say if we are going to see any sort of a reversal before heading in an upper direction, so this 160 is going to be a very strong support. And if this is also going to fail to the downside, we have this 135 to 140, a very strong level. So these are the price level which I'm actually going to look. And if this trend is going to continue, as you can see 225, this is going to be our target here. Our next target is going to be this key level, this 200 price level. And now what could also be playing out is this in a weekly time frame. We can see another target level which we can pinpoint right now would be this area here, right? This is exactly where we are also finding difficulty. You can see here resistance, we have this resistance here. I'll pull this a bit longer. You can see displayed as a support and resistance. So now we are finding difficulty exactly at that price level, this around 170, 175 price level. So if this is actually going to break, if we are going to find support, then the next target would be around 200 price level, and also this 225 upcoming price target for the Litecoin price action. So guys, this is what I actually wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then hit the like button, and also if you're watching this for the first time, definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.